This is the idiot I'm telling you that's been following me from the road. What is it?
You haven't met me before.
Hey. What is it?
Listen.
What is it?
Can you just
Does she look like your class?
Can you allow me to speak?
Please.
Allow you to speak, my friend. Get out from this place. How do you just see somebody, you start following the
I
person?
just don't get it.
Please, can you people just allow me speak?
Speak!
Oh, yeah, say.
Okay, this is it. I was only trying to return her money that fell off from her bag. That was just it. There was nothing much. And she started raising her abuses on me.
What money are you talking about?
Wait. Is this not the money I asked you to withdraw from me?
Yes, baby. This is the money.
But she wouldn't just allow me speak.
How did you get the money?
Like, you mean the money fell off from my bag?
That was exactly what happened.
Oh, God.
And I was just trying to approach her to tell her to return the money back to her. All she did was just raise abuses on me.
Jesus.
Sorry about that. Sorry.